of the PSL, and we've just finished the Dubai leg, and now we're going on to get stuck into the final. Oh, it's going to be amazing. I mean, it's just going to be adrenaline, big crowds. It's as big as IPL and bigger. No, I was here during the West Indies series, and I used to come to Pakistan previously. Well, I just enjoy the cricket and celebration of cricket in Pakistan, and good luck for the World Cup.
So I'm here to film the PSL cricket here in Karachi. Oh, very. I mean, I filmed a few bits of cricket back in England. Did the Women's World Cup a couple of years ago. So I'm from the company that's provided all the kit. We've shipped all the kit over here, so I'm in charge of all the camera kit here. And if there's any problems, they come to me.
कराची में हो रहा है, खुशी की बात है, लेकिन लाहौर में भी होने चाहिए थे, लेकिन लाहौर और कराची में कोई फ़र्क नहीं है, हमारा पाकिस्तान है। हम बहुत खुश हैं, इंशाल्लाह अगली PSL टोटली पाकिस्तान में होगी।